नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां आतां पत्रकार परिशद जाल्ली आसा निलेश काब्रालांची आनी ताच्या उपरांत आमी प्रश्न विचारता. सो मेजॉरिटी प्रश्न तांणी पत्रकार परिशदेन सांगले. पूण म्हत्वाचो प्रश्न काल एक्झॅक्ट जालें कितें पड्ड्या फाटल्यान जालें कितें दिल्ली गेले कितें
म्हाका सेंटरान 3-4 दीस पयलीं आपयल्लो 3 दीस वा 4 दीस पयलीं तेन्ना हांव गेल्लो आनी तेन्ना म्हाका आमचें नांव घेयना नेत्याचें कितें सारकें जायना पूण व्हेरी सिनियर लिडर इन भारतीय जनता पार्टी दोग जाणांनी म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केलो की दीस इज द इशू वी हॅव प्रॉमिस देम आनी यू वील हॅव टू डू अ सॅक्रिफायस. तेन्ना मातशें आंग काडलें नो डावट कित्याक म्हाका कितें जाता ऑटोमॅटिकली आंग काडूंक सोडना हांव ह्युमन बींग न्ही. सो हांवें म्हणलें लेट मी गिव मी 1 or 2 days आय वील डिसायड एंड आय वील कम बॅक टू यू. सो जेन्ना थंयच्यान मागीर हांव येयलो मागीर सीएमाक मेळलो मागीर बाकीचे चर्चा केली म्हणजे बाकीचे बरे म्हाका कडेन म्हणजे फॅमिली कडेन चर्चा केली बाकीचे क्लोज आमची कोर कमिटी लोकल लेवल चर्चा केली. सो तेणी म्हटलें की डिसिजन तुजें इट इज फॉर यू टू डिसायड. सो मागीर हांव काल परतून गेल्लो काल परतून घेतरी म्हाका तेणी परतून रिक्वेस्ट केलो. सो रिक्वेस्ट करतरी ऑनरेबल सीएमानूय म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केलो. सो ताका लागून आज सकाळी येवन हांवें इस्तिफा
काल म्हणसर तुमची भूमिका अशी आशिल्ली की वाय शूड आय रिजायन आय डोंट हॅव अ फॉर्जरी चार्जीस अगेन्स्ट मी आय डोंट हॅव रेप चार्जीस अगेन्स्ट
No, तेच म्हणटा न्ही. इफ आय वॉज टोल्ड टू फोर्सफुली रिजायन आय वुड नॉट हॅव रिजायन. आय एम टेलिंग यू नाव ऑल्सो. If I was told you go and resign, see there are ways of telling me to resign. They requested me to resign for a particular reason. That's why I have resigned. If they have told me to go and resign tomorrow, you go and resign, I would not have resigned.
ना तुमचे स्टेटमेंटान अशें दिसता की बाकीचे जे मिनिस्टर्स आसा तांचेर हे चार्जीस आसा दे शूड हॅव गॉन नॉट मी.
No, तेच म्हणटा न्ही. See, there is a way of telling me to resign. If somebody had told me you go and resign tomorrow, I would not have resigned. I'm telling you now also. But they made a request because of some commitment. That is why I have resigned. So there's a difference within that, no? So if they had told me you go and resign, I would have asked you what is the charge. That is the time when I made a statement. Because that time there was no request come to me. There were in the news people it was circulating.
हे काल झालाय when I think you were very much in Delhi discussing the things.
काल हांव कोणा स्टेटमेंट दिवना. काल हांव दिल्ली आशिल्लो न्ही. I have not given a statement to anybody.
Yesterday
it
we
was
read-
poor. It is 3 days back. 3 days back when I made a statement because that is the time I was not told directly. They said that they are discussing with many ministers and you are one of them when I came. So that is the time I made a statement that I have nothing so to prove. So when they made a request, that is the time I considered a request.
So you have done a favor on the party.
See, today whatever I am there is because of the party. Let me be very open. But I have my this for Mr. Manoj Parrikar. I joined Bharatiya Janata Party even though I am a minority. I joined him because I saw his vision and his way of functioning, which I also learned with him. And now I was functioning like him. So I feel that I'm indebted to the party for whatever I am. Other who knew Nilesh Kabra? So whatever respect I have got is for the party. I cannot be like other leaders. See, I may not be. I'll be very blunt to you. I may not have come from the RSS background. I mean, normally they say that Bharatiya Janata Party is the RSS party or whatever people say. But in my 16 or 17 years almost now with the tenure of in the Bharatiya Janata Party, that thing never came where because I am in the core committee. Honorable Prime Minister also we sit together. I mean in the core committee. Amit Shah ji sits, Nanda ji, all tall leaders we sit. And I have never noticed there's a difference between there's a difference created between Catholics and minority. Fortunately or unfortunately, maybe what you are saying that I am a minority, but I will consider myself fortunate that I am in Bharatiya Janata Party because I can work for the party because the goals are set for the party. They have a clear vision. Honorable Modi ji has a clear vision for our country, and in that opposition will always criticize.
तुमचे खंय खुबशे स्कॅम जाले PWD आनी ताका लागून यू हॅव बीन आस्क्ड टू स्टेप डावन.
कोणे सांगले म्हाका खबर ना.
वाचलेले
ना पण ते थोड्या बातम्या हाडटले न्ही. हांव अजूनय सांगता न्ही. अजूनय हांव रिजायन जालो PWDचो. आता म्हज्या टेन्युरा भितर कसलेच जर स्कॅम आसा न्ही हांव MLA पण सकता. म्हाका कांयच प्रॉब्लम ना. शी खुर्ची ही परमनंट न्ही. म्हजो जो हे आसा न्ही म्हणजे कितें म्हणटा ताका माय सेंटिमेंट्स और माय चरित्र म्हणटा पळय इट इज परमनंट. I will not change my this. I am very confident in myself. And I in this tenure, see, तुम्ही पळयता जाल्यार I started MLA Development Fund. And I have made it very clear. Even Honorable CM's files which I told CMC, this file cannot come to this, you have to put it to Honorable. And CM change the note into MLA Development Fund. See, there should be some parameters defined. where you can go, what you can do. When I, as an MLA for so many years, never did that. When I became PWD minister, I saw so many files which were doing that, which I never did. I used to ask some CSR, I used to ask some people to help to get those things done, like painting of one garden, putting swings in here, doing. I'm just giving an example. So that is why I made it a point to make an MLA development fund, that the MLA should also have. So I've done a lot of things and I'm very happy in this 1.5 years in PWD or electricity department, whatever I did in the 5-6 years. I'm very happy, especially registration department. I've done a lot of things. I wanted to do a lot of things. Mine was the first state to start NDGRS. And after that, other states in the country have done. And I wanted to improvise it. My dream was that nobody should come to the registration department. But now it remains as a dream. Let us see what is there in future.
Is this the end of political career for Nilesh Kabra?
See, political career of Nilesh Kabra will be decided by the people of the constituency of Kuchare.
पुढले 3 वर्ष तरी काय ना.
That's something. The political career will be decided by the people of Kuchare. I cannot decide my
पॉज
political
तरी झाले तुमचं.
ना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी म्हाका आतां टायम मेळलो तेंच्या वांगडा आनी टायम स्पेंड करपाक. लास्ट टायम म्हाजी थोडी मतां कमी घालपाक जावपाक म्हाका दिसता तें कारण आसूंक शकता. सो वॉट एव्हर इज देर हांव सदांच म्हणटा वॉट एव्हर इज देर इट इज हॅपन्स फॉर गूड अशें म्हजें म्हणणें. एंड वॉट एव्हर इज गोइंग टू हॅपन इट विल ऑल्सो हॅपन फॉर गूड. बट एज अ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कार्यकर्तो आय ऑलवेज फील that whatever party has told me in the past also, हांव म्हयनो 1.5 म्हयनो इलेक्शन आतां म्हणटा सिनियर जाल्ले कारणान वचूंक पडना, मे बी केन्ना वचूंक पडटा. पूण हांवें खूब 1 वर्स 1 म्हयनो 15 दीस 20 दीस खूब कडेन इलेक्शनाक म्हाका जेन्ना घातला हांव वचून रावला. म्हजे कडेन कितें काम जाता ते भशेन हांवें केलां.
सॅक्रिफायस वेंट रॉंग शें दिसता तुमकां काय?
तुका हांव पडलेलो दिसता तोंड म्हजें काय दिसता तुका कशें? हांव काय हांसोन आसा मरे. आय हॅव नो प्रॉब्लम. सी फॉर मी आय एम टेलिंग यू आय एम अ लीडर विथ अ डिफरन्स. आय डोंट हॅव अबाउट अदर्स. म्हजें कितें हांव बस वॉट एव्हर आय कॅन डू इट इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ माय स्टेट. And now it is for my constituency actually because I'm not a minister. But as a minister, I used to attend every call. I used to, I don't know if people tell you because normally people don't tell. But I used to attend every call when I was a power minister, when I was in PWD minister, whatever issues were there, I used to attend directly to the people's calls. They used to call me, they had the right. I used to give my number just like that. I had only one number and people used to call me. If now it's also ringing, if you don't take, I'll call them back. So माझ्या सांगपाचें कितें आसा, I have done a good job I feel. It is not because I was not a successful minister, I drop करपा लायलो. It is because of a certain condition the party requested me. I'm telling you again. Honorable CM also requested me because of this particular problem they were facing of the commitment. I adhered to the request.
कमिटमेंटच्या खातीर यू
I'm very good. I am see. माझे कितें आसा ultimately like I am committed to my people. I'm in Bharatiya Janata Party. I'm still MLA of Bharatiya Janata Party. माझी कामां आता सीएम करतलोच न्ही. आता मिनिस्टर जाले म्हणजे कामां बंद जातली काय?
यू डिडंट पुट अप लास्ट मिनिट रेजिस्टन्स टू रेजिग्नेशन.
That question you heard, it would have come in the press, no? I never said.
कळपा डिफिकल्ट
No,
जाता.
see, माझ्या हांव तसलो न्ही बस. हांवें तुका सांगला म्हजो बापूय फ्रीडम फायटर. I have inherited something from him. He never asked for pension. He never asked anything from what he had done because of social work. I am a social worker. I am from a grassroots. I have not come here for position. And I told you, I don't come for positions. I work for the people. I still will continue to work with the people till I can do the last breath. When people don't want me, that is the time people will maka ghara dhattele, and I will stop my political career.
Is there any deal struck in Delhi? Ki baba तुम्ही देवा, I will give you this after this time.
See, निलेश काब्रा डील करना बस. माझे किती आता सडधड उलोवपाचे काबार करता तुमका खबर आसा. तू कितें न्यू न्ही. म्हजो स्वभाव तुवें पळयल्लो आसा. तू काय केन्ना विचारता. हांव बॅक एंड डील करना आनी म्हाका लिपोवपाचें कांयच ना. म्हजें कसलेंच डील ना, म्हजें कांयच ना. तेणी म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केला. I adhered to the request and I resigned. And I have no expectation at all. My expectation is that now since I am not a minister and now as a minister you can do a lot of works in your constituency or you can do a lot of works. I will be after the honorable chief minister that in माझे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन 2014 कामां जाल्ली चालू ती अजून जायना. आता हांव फ्री जालो. आता डेली सीएमाक हांव फाटल्यान लागून म्हजी मतदारसंघाची हॉस्पिटल, म्हजे लायब्ररी, म्हजे बस स्टँड, म्हजे स्विमींग पूल, म्हजे रवींद्र भवन, म्हणजे अशें खूब लिंगरींग जालें. आतां आय गेट डिवोटेड टायम बिकॉज लिंगरींग जालें कितें बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड. ते मागीर किक बॅक जावंकूच ना. सो आतां आय हॅव लॉट ऑफ टायम. हांव फ्री. आतां सीएमाच्या अड्ड्यार बसपाचें आनी कामां करून घेवपाची म्हजी मतदारसंघाची.
लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन्स. एक म्हणजे Alex Sequeira is getting replaced. So are you wishing him all the best?
Of course, see, I told
You are
you,
MLAs.
when I was young, I was not an MLA, I could not vote. He was MLA from then. And I used to stay in the same place where he used to get elected. And I had always high regard for him, and I wish him all the best. Maybe if he will take this step, and I know Alex Sikor, if he cannot perform, he will also leave it. So there's no question of he continuing just like that. He wants to deliver, and he will deliver. Maybe he'll deliver better than me. I don't know. I hope he delivers better than me. I wish him all the best.
आता बाकीचे जे कमिटमेंट्स आसा पळय पार्टीचे त्याच्या खातीर बाकीच्यांनी रेडी जावचे अशें सांगतात फॉर द मिनिस्टर्स.
म्हाका माझे खबर ना बस. म्हाका सांगले हांव एक उतरान दिलें.
बाकीच्यांनी करचें अशें दिसता
म्हाका ते
तुमकां?
लाचारपणा करपाचें ना. हांव रेक्त मनीस. म्हाका कितें म्हजो स्वाभिमान आसा. म्हाका जर कोणें सांगलें न्ही आनी म्हाका पटलें की हें करपाक जाय करून दिलें. म्हाका लोकांचे हांव सांगतलो.
बाकीच्यांनी
लोकांचे
करचें अशें?
लोकांनी आनी पार्टीन पळोवन घेवं ते म्हाका लागलें. म्हाजे कडेन सांगलें हांवें केलें. एक फाटी हिचकिचार नासतना म्हाका विचारलें हांवें केलें. म्हजेर लोकांक दिसता म्हजे अन्याय जालो म्हजे कारां पळयतलो सारके हजारांनी कितें एक मेसेज येताली म्हजो फोटो घालून नो कितें तरी येतालें.
नो स्टेप डावन.
डोंट स्टेप डावन.
हा, don't
आय डि नॉट इनिशिएटेड. म्हजे मोग आसा म्हणून लोकांनी इनिशिएट
सो
केलो.
अन्याय जालो काय जावना तुमचे लास्ट?
लोकांक कितें दिसता शी वॉट हॅपन्स खंयचेच सामान्य लोकांक स्पेशली युथांक मिनिस्टर म्हणल्यार पावरफूल. आतां हांव कितलीं वर्सां पॉलिटिक्सान ते पयलीं म्हाका केन्ना म्हणजे वोट करूं ना. आतां तरणाटे भुरगे मे बी दे फर्स्ट टायम वोटर्स. दे मायट बी फिलिंग दॅट ओन्ली मिनिस्टर कॅन गिव्ह बॅक. आय हॅव टोल्ड देम दॅट मिनिस्टर ऑर नो मिनिस्टर युअर MLA विल डिलिव्हर. सो दे आर ट्रस्टिंग मी अँड आय विल डिलिव्हर.
अन्याय जालो काय ना जालो? लास्ट वर्ड.
अन्याय पळय तूं समजना अन्याय कितें जाता. म्हाका जर फोर्सफुली रिजायन जावं म्हणलो जाल्यार अन्याय जावपाचो. हो म्हाका काडलेलो म्हाका सांगनासतना अन्याय जातलो. जेन्ना हांव विलिंगली म्हजें पळय रेजिग्नेशन तुका दाखयलें मरे. हांवें विलिंगली म्हजें रेजिग्नेशन दिलां आनी सगळें बरयलां रेजिग्नेशन कित्याक दिलां तें बरयलां. सो द क्वेश्चन जाता डेरायज अन्याय जावपाचो. मे बी कितें आसा नशिबान थोड्यो गोश्ट्यो वयर सकयल जाता. मे बी म्हजो टायम आतां तसो ना. कितें म्हजें कितें आशिल्लें की हे टायमा भितर माय ड्रीम वॉज टू गिव 24 hours म्हणजे 6-7 years water to start with this year and every household. And gradually by the end of our term, Dr. Pramod sir, my term after 5 years, would result in at least to 17, 18 to 24 hours water everywhere. This was my dream to do, and I was capable of doing it, and I have started work. I mean 100 MLD ची प्लांटाची वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्या, 15 MLD ची प्लांटाची वर्क ऑर्डर दिल्या. अशी करून सगळे माय फोकस वॉज आय शू हॅव कंटिन्युअस मिटींग. नाव जॉब हांव नको तो PWD दिता ते CM प्रोग्रेटिव्ह. सो whoever is taking over from me, I will come in as I told you. म्हाका हांव तांकां सांगतलो अशें केल्लें आसा. हेजेर मातशें लक्ष दी. खऱ्यांनी लोकांक आमी मिनिमम 500 वरां उदक डेली दिवपाक जाय. प्लस ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम दिस इज द फोकस. वी शूड बी एबल टू गिव्ह 24 hours वॉटर टू द पीपल. आता पॉटहोल्स तुम्ही पळयता पळय पॉटहोल्सा खातीर हेल्प काडले लोकांक तुम्ही पळयता. खूब जाणां एप्रिशिएट केले. फाटल्या असेंब्लीन वेन्झी सारके मनशान म्हाका एप्रिशिएट केलो. अशें खूब एप्रिशिएट करता म्हाका मेसेज घालता. तितून भितर पॉटहोल रिपेर करूंक शकता. आतां इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल फोडटा पायपलायन फोडटा आनी न्यू घालता ते पॉटहोल म्हणना न्ही. ताका सगळ्या लोकांक कितें आहा लोक कितेंय मागीर पॉटहोल म्हणटा. सो म्हाजें कितें आय हॅव डन सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी वेल इन वॉट एवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आय हॅव गिवन. And I'm here now for the party to do what he said. But now, right now, I'm going back to my constituency people. I will be very happy to work with more people, more time with them, because त्यांचे apprehension किती असले काढपाक जाय. And I'm a Bharatiya Janata Party worker and always remain a worker. माझे किती कामां जी expectation आहे MLA आणि आता resign झाला for a cause. I expect more from CMs towards me, towards development of my constituency, and that I will be forefront. म्हाका फाटल्यान फुडें तुका खबर आहा फाटल्यान फुडें रावचो ना. ना लेफ्ट टायम कितें पयलीं कितें जातालें फायल्यो क्लियर करता ताची 12 जाताली. आय रीड माय फायल्स. आतां कांयच ना. सो ना जाल्यार मोर टायम टू सीट ऑन CM's हेड एंड गेट माय कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी वर्क्स डन.
लास्ट कॉमेंट मारता तुम्ही पान खायना दिसता.
खंय खाता
कॉमेंट मारता तुमचे पान खाता तुम्ही.
पान खाता खंय पान खाता लायफान पान खावना.
आणि कितें कितें कॉमेंट्स आसा तेका यू केला आन्सर.
खूब आसा कॉमेंट्स. हांव लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता. थोड्या लोकांक निलेश काब्राल थोड्या लोकांक निलेश काब्राल म्हज्या मतदारसंघांनी या म्हजे बद्दल विचारा आनी म्हजे बद्दल तुमचो जर कितें जर सोगपूश आसा यू कम एंड आस्क माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स. दे आर द बेस्ट पीपल टू टेल यू हू आय एम वॉट आय. दिस इज माय रिक्वेस्ट टू यू. डोंट मेक एलिगेशन जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मेकिंग पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आसा वा आनी कितें आसा. डोंट मेक एलिगेशन्स ऑन इंडिविज्युअल. सी अल्टिमेटली people, I'm not saying people like me, maybe people like you should come and do work for the people and get yourself elected. I have no problem. Anybody is welcome in my constituency anywhere. But by passing comments, you discourage people who work. You can always appreciate and say this is there. Like this also people in my म्हाका WhatsApp भी धाडटाले हांगा प्रॉब्लम जाला and they should thank me also once I did it. So म्हाका असा you should be more on a positive side. आता म्हणतो हांव मंत्री जाचो ना. तुम्ही मातशें म्हाका जे तुम्ही सोशल मिडियार बी ट्रोल करता आनी कितें करता. माय रिक्वेस्ट टू यू that encourage people who work. And if they are wrong, please correct them and tell them this is what you have to do. Mistake करपाक जाय म्हणून करनाका, because that is a wrong trend. People should come. People like you should come and be socially involved and get yourself elected if you feel. Then please do that. But people like us, when we go and socially involved and work for the people and get self elected, please support. If I go wrong somewhere, please tell. But just because you feel sitting in one place of the world or some place in one place just for the hang of it, असे करचे नाही असे तुम्हाला रिक्वेस्ट करतो.
ओके, देव बरे करू. या आशिल्ले निलेश काब्रान, तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज.